All right, so we just got this in the mail. Stand Up Paddleboard. And I do believe it's an inflatable one. We got to be careful, so we're just going to do a very slight cut here so that we don't cut the paddleboard. You see? Because it's inflatable. Oh, here we go. So, all right, so it comes, looks like this is a carrying case right here. Looks nice. And look at it. Bam. That is sweet. So this is a, check it out. This is a backpack that you put everything in. All right, so let's just go ahead and set that over here. All right, and then we're going to take a look and see what's inside here. We'll do it one thing at a time. All right, so here are the fins for the board, and you've got two of them. It looks like they're about the same size, so we'll set that there. Here we have a leash. Comes with a leash. We'll set that over here. Also comes with a pump, so you can pump it up. Put her over here. And that's the paddle right there. Check it out. Paddle's there. And I think this is a repair kit. All right, yeah, so this is a repair kit. It's got some patches down in there. And I'm not sure how you do it. We'll have to read up on that. Let's put that to the side. It does come with some instructions. And, yeah, here's the paddleboard. Oh, it's not light. Let's put this on here. And you lay her down. Bam, done. And here is, I do believe this is a valve. All right, so we can go ahead and get everything out of its packages. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box when you get it. It has this really nice carry-all, straps here. It's got straps on the side, and all this fits in it. The SUP comes with a leash, which is, typical leash. Put it on your foot, tie it to the board itself. And there's two of these skags or fins, and these are the connectors that you need to put in the channel when you tighten them down. It comes with a repair kit, which features a cap, the spoon, and it has a couple patches right here. So we want to keep that. Of course, you're going to need your instructions. It comes with another valve that you would use for, I guess, I'm not sure what this would be for, but it looks like the same, like a tire inflator. The same kind of idea. If you had one of those tire inflators. So there, it comes with its pump, and when you get it, this is not attached, so you have to attach it. But I've already attached it. I'll show you. It just sits on here like this, a couple turns. You got to turn the whole hose though. Bam, and that's your pump. You need to pump up the, pump up your SUP. And then here's the SUP right here, and it has this little catch kit, and it comes with a paddle, and the paddle is expandable. And the way you put it on is you got a little button here, right? Just squeeze it, smush it in there, and then you got to find the hole, which that's how you do it. And then over here you've got this little clamp which releases, and then it expands the paddle, and it'll come all the way out. So when you're putting it in, you just have to decide where you want it, depending on your height. You know what I mean? And you want to have the grip turned away from the paddle, and I'll show you what I mean. Now to clamp it down, you just push that, and that keeps it in place. Your paddle is going to be what you would think is backwards, but this is the way you're supposed to paddle, like this. And so you want your grip here so that you can do your paddle. And that's how that works. And then it just comes apart. You loosen this, and that way you can store it all inside of your carrying case, just like that. Bam, how's your uncle? All right, now all we've got to do is get a nice day where we can take it down to the beach and set everything up.